If you have not been applying to best match jobs on Upwork, you are missing out big time. Let me explain why. Upwork has put huge resources behind improving the best match algorithm using AI. In fact, they bought a company called Objective AI and brought that entire team in to help them in the matching process. Now, one of the things that is important to note is that your best match feed is based on your profile, your work history, and the requirements for the job. It's actually pretty sophisticated. So, when you are looking for those jobs, don't just treat it like TikTok and just go through and click the ones you want to apply on. Actually spend time in your best match area. And if you see the thumbs down button, click it if the job isn't right for you and give it a reason. If you like the job, select the heart icon and save it and apply to it. These are huge AI signals so that Upwork's system knows what kind of work you're looking for. And so often people are just looking at most recent, or they're going in and looking at their saved searches. But to be fair, Best Match is a constantly improving system that they are putting tons of resources behind it. Now, number two, and the biggest reason, is I want you to think about this for a second. When a client gets proposals in, the default view they see is best match. Yes, there's the people that boosted their proposal. Those are the first 4 slots. But the next slots are filled with best matches. So when a client is looking at the applications and they see the best match, where did that come from? Well, think about it. If you're a best match for the job, then when the client views the job, you're the best match for it. This blew me away when I started going through and reading this, is that best match is actually a universal best match between the client's job post and you. That's why you want to spend time on it. You want to spend time training it. You want to spend time applying to it. You want to spend time on best matches. It is the best way to make sure those proposals you send get viewed, because that default view is going to give you a huge advantage. On top of which, Uma, for clients, actually, when it's making recommendations, looks at the best match freelancers first. In fact, it has a huge bias towards them. And again, how do you become a best match for the job? By applying to the job in your best match feed. It's just so obvious. So I've recently written about this on our community site at community.pouncer.ai, and highly recommend you come to our site and read the article. It is free to join our site. There is nothing to buy on there. There's zero cost. But we write about this stuff constantly, on top of which we have a lot of free courses designed to help you with Upwork. And there's, again, no cost. So how to improve your profile, how to write cover letters that convert, how to search for the right jobs. All of this is encapsulated in our free community resource. So go take a look at it, and then finally go ahead and give this a thumbs up and a like and subscribe and all the other things to do if you really enjoyed it, because we're producing this to help you get more work from Upwork fast.